everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing well. So today's video is quite a random one, but if you subscribed, you know what to expect over here. So I was cleaning my daughter's room recently and I noticed that she's got quite the collection of makeup and she's only 4. So I was thinking to myself, I wonder if I could do a full face of makeup using kitty toy makeup. I don't know how pigmented it is, how it would look. I mean, usually when she does my makeup using her collection, I'll end up with eyeshadow on my cheeks or, lip color on my eyelid. She knows it needs to go on the face, but not exactly where it needs to go. And, that's fine. It's fun. We just have fun with it. So I thought I'm going to try it out today and hopefully it'll look good because I want to film another video after this and I don't want to redo my makeup. So obviously the makeup doesn't come with, powder, concealer, all of that. So I've done a base coat of just some foundation, some powder, and I've done my brows. That's about it. And the rest of it we're going to be doing using kitty makeup. So in this video, I thought I would just test out 3 of the products she really loves the most. First one we have is this. I think it's like a lip balm. It's all like shimmery. So we'll try to use this one last. I'm pretty sure that this is also another lip color kit because it's got glitter on top and then underneath it's like the glitter. Underneath it's like a glycerine. So pretty sure that's lip. My entire look, I have a feeling, is going to come from this one over here. This one is jam-packed full of makeup. I can't remember the name of it, but I'll take a look online. If I see it, I'll leave it down in the description box if you want to buy it as a gift for someone because it is so cute and so compact and it just has everything that they would need, The best part as well is it tells you what is inside. It doesn't come with all these stickers. My daughter just went crazy and just stickers all over it. But at the back, you can see there's some writing. It does tell you that there's eyeshadow, lip balm, blush, and it has the ingredients for everything, which I love. It has such a cute look. You open it up, there's a mirror inside, and then look at this cute little, remember this? Oh my gosh. This is like what every kid starts off with when they have makeup. Remember this? Oh gosh. And then a cute tiny little brush. Got 2 lipsticks. Obviously this is probably like a favorite because that one's been dug in quite a lot. And then it opens up and has even more makeup inside. So it's really got such a lovely selection. So when I was younger, my favorite colors were pink and purple. So I think I'm going to go for a pink and purpley look. On my eyeshadow, there's 2 really pretty purples over here and a nice pink. A little bit of a shiny purple here, but that's probably like a lipstick. But you know what, we'll put it on our eyelid anyway. But I think, yeah, I'm definitely going for the pink and purple. And hopefully, it all comes out really pretty. So let's see. First thing I'm going to do is my eyeshadow. Obviously using the little tools that come in here. So I've cleaned this already, but it's stained because we're mixing everything on here. Lipstick, eyeshadow, everything just goes on there. So the first thing I'm going to do is just push my hair to the side a little bit. And I'm going to start off with the darker shade, the purple. I'm going to put a generous amount on there. I mean, look at that. That looks really good, actually. And I'm going to be using a mirror in front here. So far, so good. That's looking great. Next, I'm going to take, wow, that looks so good. I am shocked. Oh my gosh. Okay, next I'm going to take the pink and apply that to the inner corner of my eye. I actually really love this. I'm not even kidding. I really love the way this has come out. It's going to take the brush. It's so cute. And try and blend it out a little bit. I think I can just do with a little bit more purple just in that crease to really define it. And then I'm going to take the pink Just add some underneath here. Just drag it along the bottom of my eye. I'm honestly so shocked by how well this is coming out. That is unreal. It is really pigmented. I really want to test this out. Just do a swatch on my arm to see how pigmented it is. Just to show you guys. I had no idea it was going to come out this well. And the pink one I'm using. It's actually not bad for like toddler makeup. Like usually you put the stuff on and you don't see anything. I'm just going to go in and do this eye and we'll see how the end result is. Done, and I am honestly so shocked by how well this came out. Like the color, the pigment is incredible. It looks really good. You would not say I'm wearing kitty's makeup. Next thing I want to do is just take one of these like shiny creams, which may or may not be lipstick, I'm not too sure, and just do like a dot on the inner corners of my eyes. I'm gonna go with this one over here. Even that looks really good. If that's supposed to be lipstick, then I don't know, it looks good on my finger too. That one didn't seem to do too much, so what I'm going to do is take this glitter one and just try to add a little bit of this pink glitter to the inner corner of my eye. Using my cute little makeup brush. I can't get the glitter off. Okay, there's some glitter. I'm just going to pop that in the corner. Okay, the glitter's there, but it's really subtle, but that's alright. I'm still like really shook by how this eyeshadow looks. Like, I was not expecting that at all. Okay, and then lastly, to complete the eye look, I'm just going to add some eyeliner and mascara. Done. I might still put on some fake lashes just to like really enhance the look, but mascara is on, and while that dries, while I'm deciding, I'm going to move on and do the blush. So I'm not entirely sure which one is the blush, but I know at the back it did say, so I just want to read it. I have a feeling the blush was the one I used for pink eyeshadow. So according to this thing, the first one is the blush, but there's stickers all over it, so I'm really not sure. These stickers are really hard to get off. I'm just gonna win it. I think I'm gonna go with, the only thing that would really work as like a powdery blush is the pink eyeshadow that I used, but I want to try something different, so I'm just gonna win it. Let's just try this pink one over here. It's not like shimmery, it could be like a liquid blush. So I'm just gonna go and put that, oh, you can actually really see it. Just gonna rub that in here. Do the same thing along here. Oh, I think I might have put too much on this side. Oh wow, definitely. Blending in. At first I thought it was a bit too much, but it could just be like the lighting, because there's like a window there, so obviously like this side's gonna be a bit brighter than this side, because this side looks like it's very subtle. Okay, and then for highlight, I'm thinking maybe this one here, it looks like a nice shimmery one, or these two over here look really shimmery too. So let's just go with a star. Oh, what am I saying? There's this too that's like silver glitter up here that I thought would make a nice highlight. Actually does look a little bit like glittery, shimmery in a way, you know? Let's try that as a highlight. Not convinced that's doing much. Let's try it on this side. Put it on my nose. I've been trying the star. I'm going to try this big one up here. Hey, one thing, my face feels like there's a lot of product on it. I think that's actually working better as a highlighter. Let's go in with that. Wow, yeah, that's definitely working a lot better as a highlight. Go in and do this side. Has a nice shine. Whoa, it has a really nice shine to it. Okay, next thing we have to do is move on to the lips. So I've got these two cute ones. It's a pink and purple. I have no idea where the lid is for this pink one. I'm actually going to take the purple one's lid off so you can see it better. They're so tiny and so cute. I feel like the pink's definitely going to go better with it because the purple might just clash. But I just want to test it out here with my other swatches. This is also quite pigmented. You've got to draw quite hard to get the color. But once you got the color, it's there. It looks nice, but I don't know about it matching so well with my eyeshadow. This one doesn't have much of a color. There we go, kind of. Yeah, I think that one definitely is going to go better. Although it's very subtle, the purple is going to clash really hard. And then I'm going to go over it with like a pink shimmer. So the purple won't work so well with pink. So I have to push really hard to get any sort of color, but it's coming out. You can definitely see a difference between the top and bottom lip. And then to top that off, I'm going to put on a nice shimmer sparkle lip balm. This one's from Oh So Heavenly. It's a Kids Care Pony Party. I absolutely love this one. It smells so good. It reminds me of like a childhood sweet. I can't remember which one. I thought of the name at the time and now I've forgotten again. This is what it looks like inside. And like, I don't know how to explain that smell. It's like candy, but like pink strips with the sugar, and it's like sour and sugary at the same time. It's everything. It smells so good. So I'm going to take a little bit of that, because you don't need a lot, and just apply that to my lip. Give it an extra shimmer. And there we go. All done. I really love the way this came out, especially this eyeshadow. I'm still shook how pigmented this is. I mean, wow, the lipstick matches nicely also with my top. So I think all in all, like this really worked out. Honestly, it looks like I just used makeup that I have. And this obviously is a lot cheaper than the makeup I use. So I'm glad I decided to try it out. I mean, I got some backup makeup here I didn't even know I had. So last thing I'm going to do is just put on some lashes so I can really see the full effect, and I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. So here's the end result. I'm so happy with the way it came out. The only thing else I did was put on some liner and some lashes, and I think it really just completed the look. I am so shook about this eyeshadow still. I know I've said that so many times in this video, but I really didn't expect it to actually be so pigmented, and I think that it really finished off the look so great, especially this highlight. Like, it really has a nice shimmer to it. Wow, I didn't even know that it would work, because none of these in here obviously say highlight, because kids are just used to like eyeshadow, lipstick and blush. But trying out that silver one for highlight, I think really worked so well. So I'm glad I decided to do that. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed doing this. I'm definitely going to keep this look on for the next video I'm going to film now. And yeah, if you have, don't forget to give it a like down below, and I'll see you again real soon with a new video. Thanks. Bye.